Hey, it's Michael from Rapid Tools. If you've ever dealt with a dull scraper or risky blade changes, then this one's for you. This is our Rapid Edge auto-loading razor scraper, and it's built to make scraping jobs faster and safer. What sets it apart is the auto-loading blade system. Blade changes are quick and hands stay clear. Just press the button and slide the handle out to remove the blade. Slide it back in, push it out again, and a fresh blade automatically locks into place. No tools, no fumbling. The handle has a soft grip that gives you solid control while staying comfortable, even on longer jobs. You can apply pressure exactly where you need it, and it won't strain your hand. It handles tough messes with ease. Paint splatter, baked on grime, and stubborn adhesives. It uses standard razor blades, so there's no need for special refills. Easy to replace and easy to store, whether you're at home or on a job site. Best of all, our scraper has built-in blade storage. It comes preloaded with 3 in the auto-loading chamber and 3 in the handle, so you're not stopping mid-job to find a replacement. Fast, safe, and practical, the Rapid Edge auto-loading razor scraper is built for everyday tasks, so you can work faster, protect your hands, and tackle every scraping job with confidence. Get yours today at rapidtools.net.